That's so weird. Yeah.
That's weird. It's very weird.
Sounds weird.
So we're out on another adventure. It's about 38 degrees outside maybe. Probably feels like 34.
35.
Yeah. Out here on the Ruine River.
Where are we headed? Where are we at?
We're at Hindenburgbrucke.
Not quite. So close.
I don't know, what is it?
Oh, I don't know either.
I was like, can we swim to that thing and get on that thing?
Yeah, it's just a regular bridge. It's just, I think it's blown up, so the line is like flowing.
Like everyone has like their own ramp. Like here. Are people living there?
Yes. So, it's our first German trailer park that we've came across. They do have pretty good views. View of the Rhine River.
He looks silly doing that, doesn't he?
Yeah, it's fine.
Alright, let's go. So there's more to this bridge. We're gonna go see. How warm is it out here?
It's freezing cold.
It's really cold. Freezing. Hat and gloves are in the car.
Yeah.
Super good place for them to be right now.
We can go up here.
No. I'm back.
There's the other part of it up there.
Hindenburgbrucke.
And then what?
Hindenburgbrucke. The Hindenburgbrucke. This is probably not how you pronounce that.
Alright.
Wait, that's the thing?
That's what it used to look like. The bridge was the target of several air raids during World War II and was finally destroyed by pioneers of the German Wehrmacht in March of 1945 to impede the advance of the U.S. Armed Forces. And we just saw a bridge that was blown up. U.S. to not advance during World War II. Alright, make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below. Back to the car. If you get a hankering for a smoke again, you want to go see the bridge or get a hankering just to smoke. Ice train.